Now mga kahugot, here's something interesting. A printer may look like a simple machine, but inside it are electronic circuits, sensors, motors, software, and mechanical parts all working together. In fact, a printer can be considered a small automated system. Parang relationship lang. Maraming parts ang kailangang magtulungan para gumana. So let's take a look at what happens inside. 1. Electronics, the control system. First, let's talk about electronics. When you click print on your computer, digital information is sent to the printer. The printer's control board, which contains electronic circuits and a processor or microcontroller, receives and processes that information. It then sends instructions to different parts of the printer. For example, the electronics can control when the paper should move, when the print head should move, when ink should be released, how fast the different parts should move, and when the printing process should stop. So, the electronics help coordinate everything. Hugot. Parang utak ng isang relasyon, may taga-decide kung kailan gagalaw, kailan hihinto, at kailan susuko. But unlike relationships, the printer actually follows instructions. 2. Motors, turning electricity into movement. Now, here's where things get even more interesting. Printers use electric motors to create controlled movement. Depending on the printer design, motors can help move the paper, move the print head, rotate rollers, and operate other mechanical parts. So when you hear ZZZ, whir, click, click, that's not magic. The printer's electrical system is controlling motors and mechanical parts. In simple terms, electrical energy, motor, mechanical movement. 3. Sensors, the printer's sensors. But how does the printer know what's happening inside? That's where sensors come in. Depending on the printer design, sensors can help detect things such as whether paper is present, the position of the paper, the movement or position of mechanical parts. In other operating conditions, the sensors provide information to the controller. So we can think of it like this. Sensors, information, controller. The printer uses that information to decide what should happen next. Hugot. Sa buhay, importante rin ang sensors. Kailangan marunong kang makaramdam, pero huwag sobra. Baka masense mo lahat, except the fact na hindi ka na niya gusto. 4. The controller, the brain of the system. Now, what happens to the information from the sensors? It goes to the printer's controller. The controller processes information from the computer and the sensors. Then, it sends commands to the motors and other components. So the basic process is sense, process, act. Sense. Sensors gather information. Process. The controller interprets the information and follows programmed instructions. Act. Motors and other actuators perform the required movement. This is one reason printers are useful examples when introducing students to automation and robotics. 5. Counters and position tracking. Here's another interesting part of the electronics. A printer needs to control movement very precisely. For example, the print head can't simply move left and right randomly. It needs to know approximately where it is and how far it has moved. Some printers use encoders and electronic position tracking systems to monitor movement. The controller can receive electrical pulses or position information and use them to keep track of movement. You can think of it as a very fast electronic counting system. For example, motor moves, encoder produces signals, controller tracks movement, printer adjusts the motion. This helps the printer coordinate the movement of the print head and paper. And that's important because even a small positioning error can affect the quality of the printed image or text. Hugot. Sa love life dapat marunong ka ring mag-track, hindi ng location niya, ng effort niya. 6. The print head, a controlled moving system. In an inkjet printer, the print head moves across the paper while releasing tiny droplets of ink. But the print head doesn't simply move randomly. Its movement has to be carefully controlled. The system needs to coordinate where to move, how fast to move, when to release ink, and when to stop. The controller coordinates the movement of the print head with the movement of the paper. That's why the printed dots end up in the correct positions. Hugot. Parang ikaw sa love life. Dapat alam mo kung saan ka pupunta, kung kailan ka gagalaw, at higit sa lahat, kung kailan ka titigil. 7. Paper feeding is also automated. Have you ever wondered how the printer pulls the paper inside? That's another example of automation. Motors rotate rollers that grab and move the paper through the printer. The controller coordinates the movement so that the paper advances at the proper time and distance. You don't have to manually push every sheet through the machine. The printer does it automatically. And that is automation. Hugot! Hindi mo kailangang habulin ang papel. Si printer na ang gumagawa ng paraan para mapunta ito sa tamang lugar. Sana all! 8. Where does robotics come in? Now you might be thinking, Mom, robotics? Printer lang yan. Well, robotics isn't only about humanoid robots. Robotics also involves systems that can sense information, process information, and perform actions automatically. And a printer demonstrates these ideas. Think about it. Sense. Sensors detect conditions. Process. The controller processes information and follows instructions. Act. Motors and actuators create controlled movement. Output. The printer produces the desired result. That's very similar to the basic idea behind many automated robotic systems. 9. Software plus electronics plus mechanics. So what really makes a printer work? It's not just one technology. A printer combines several systems. Software provides the instructions and information about what to print. Electronics processes signals and controls the different components. Sensors provide information about what is happening inside the machine. Position tracking counters help the system monitor movement and position in applicable printer designs. Mechanical parts move the paper and other components. Motors and actuators create controlled movement. Together, these systems allow the printer to perform a task automatically, repeatedly, and accurately. 10. How everything works together. So let's put everything together. When you press print, computer, digital information, printer controller, sensors provide information. Controller processes the information. Motors and actuators move the mechanisms. Position tracking helps coordinate movement. Paper and print head move. Ink is released at the correct positions. Printed output. That's a whole system working together. Hugot, ang printer pala parang team. May utak, may senses, may tagagalaw, may taga-follow ng instructions. At kapag nagtulungan lahat, may output. And that's an important lesson, not just in technology, but also in life. Good systems produce good results. Quick challenge. Now mga kahugot, here's your challenge. The next time you use a printer, try to identify 1. Where is the electronics? 2. What parts are moving? 3. What motors might be responsible for the movement? 4. What sensors might the printer be using? 5. What part acts like the brain or controller? 6. How might the printer track the movement or position of its parts? Because when you understand what's happening inside everyday devices, you stop seeing them as just machines. You start seeing the science, electronics, programming, automation, and engineering behind them. And that's where technology becomes exciting. Hugot, hindi mo kailangang maging engineer agad para maintindihan ang technology. Magsimula ka lang sa isang tanong. Paano ba ito gumagana? Because every machine has a story, and every lesson has a little hugot.